आते राये खाते रये और मुझते रये खाने में काहे
Wow.
We have Earn with us. Hello.
And she's going to show us her favorite spot to eat her favorite food.
Exactly. But yummy.
Very yummy.
Very good.
Very yummy. What is this called? Name?
It's named Bingsu.
Bingsu.
Can we taste?
Love it. I love it.
Thank you for bringing us here. Very good. So this is literally exploring the streets with a local. That's going to be exciting.
Yes. And no more eating. Done.
So apparently the place she's taking us to is popular and there is going to be a queue.
Up queue, yeah.
So we're going to have to wait.
Yes.
This is the queue. This queue.
I eat this.
Okay.
ไข่ปลาหมึก I think ball on back
I guess this or this. So this is squid egg, cuttlefish, octopus tentacles, squid tendon, squid mouth. I think we'll just go for this.
Yes.
This looks most palatable to me.
แล้วถามไหมพี่เอิญวันนี้จ้า10 นาทีกลับมาแล้วจ้ะมาด้วยกันเดินหน้าเลยนะคะ
10 minutes.
Okay come on
Come on, now we have to stand in the line.
one two three
Oh. 3.
I like so spicy and little sweet
Sweet.
I like little sweet
We're very spicy.
so much
But yummy.
Very yummy.
Very good.
Very yummy.
Oh, squid is not too chewy. It's very nicely cooked. बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ्रेश है.
बहुत तीखा है लेकिन खट्टा मीठा भी है.
खट्टा मीठा तीखा tangy
This is like exactly how street food should be.
should be. Yeah.
So हम जहाँ पे है it's Yavarat Road
thank you
और यहाँ यावरात रोड जहाँ पर हम हैं is very very famous for street food. कितनी मिर्ची है लाल और हरी दोनों and whole pods of garlic.
you okay
Yeah.
I like spicy food. So it's got a Michelin in 2018, 19, 20 and 21
And 23.
and 23.
and you want small large
Small.
Small.
And let's try. Let's eat. You know her name?
Ashi
Prachi.
Oh, good.
And my name?
Mohit yeah Hi so sorry I'm so excited
You're excited. How you say I like
ฉันชอบ
Chan chop.
ฉันชอบ
Chan chop. This is like Marathi. Chan chop.
Chan है. Chan chop. And how do you say spicy?
Spicy.
yeah
How to say Thai in Thai?
เผ็ดเผ็ด
Head.
P H E D
Head.
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 Oh, spicy.
This is very head.
This is very head. Head. And hot? How do you say hot?
ร้อน
Drawn?
ร้อน
Drawn.
Drawn.
Right now I'm feeling very drawn.
I'm feeling drawn to the food.
I knew that was coming.
ready to try
The noodles are like rice paper rolls. Hot. How do you say hot?
famous
Drawn.
Fed.
Fed is spicy.
Fed is spicy.
your soup very spicy
Is it
spicy for pepper
pepper?
ready
Go. Yeah, it is peppery.
pepper
Very peppery.
Oh, I like.
you like
I like.
Yes. Hot and hot and peppery. And there's crispy pork in it. One side is very crispy.
You like?
I like very much. I like this more than this. But I'm very curious to eat this rolled rice paper.
Okay.
Very nice.
Yeah.
This is easy to make.
Easy.
Easy to make.
Let's go. So now we are going to try some dessert, जिसका नाम प्राची और मैं फिलहाल नहीं बोल पाएंगे, but we will see and
Absolutely.
eat and learn.
We are having the best time.
We will see and eat and learn.
No, but I'm having such a cool time because we are literally discovering things.
Yes.
We don't know how to say the names. We don't know where they are. We don't know what is gone in the food.
No. I know my food.
We don't always
Of
know.
course, I know. So fruits, juices,
Grills.
soups, Javarat, Chinatown is
Totally happening, ma'am.
absolutely banging right now. So we're just walking through a sea of people.
People and
But walking slowly in street.
yes.
Ah.
Shall we
Ready?
go?
For you.
Are we supposed to put sauces in it or
Yeah, I got mushroom,
For pepper.
peppery first?
pepper.
You trust me. Famous in Yavarat.
Very simple. Simple but tasty. अच्छा ऊपर जो है पतले पतले है नूडल्स और नीचे मोटे मोटे.
Bean sprouts है वो. I know my food. Noodles.
These are not noodles. These look like noodles यार. Come on.
Bean sprouts. The joy of wok cooking. Perfectly cooked noodles. Chicken भी है वो बहुत अच्छे से cooked हुआ है और it's peppery.
I'm going to try with the chopstick.
Do you understand why the queue is so long? Because it's so yummy.
So famous in your road.
Very good.
Love it. I love it.
Thank you for bringing us here. Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you. Very nice.
मैं ये पूरा खत्म कर सकती हूँ.
मैं कर रहा हूँ.
I see you delicious for menu for food.
Why you are not eating?
I'm so happy.
Thank you for bringing us here. You eat, you like, no?
No.
ये हमें खिलाती जा रही है, खुद कुछ खा ही नहीं रही है.
अरे तू खा. तो अब तक हम खा रहे थे स्ट्रीट्स पे, यावरात के स्ट्रीट्स पे. Now we'll go to a place where she likes to eat.
Yeah.
I like.
Let's go.
Go.
I think भाषा ना आने का एक एडवांटेज ये है that people beyond the point don't say anything
Yeah.
mean or uncouth. You just say yes or no and nod and smile and say namaste, why का sign
Because they
दिखाते हैं.
can't know, they don't know the language.
Yeah, it's like no language, no conflict.
अगले ने हमको थाई में गाली दे भी दिया तो हमको तो समझ में नहीं आएगा.
I want to eat that. Whatever that is.
उसके कोकोनट से खा तो
मैं पूछ सकती हूँ.
चल.
Politely.
Come.
Sorry, what is this called? Name?
His name Bingsu.
Bingsu. Can we taste?
After you. Name after you.
After you. Okay. Can we try? Can we try? Okay. अंदर ही जाने बोल रही है.
हाँ.
मैंने पूछा कम से कम. Thank you. देखो मेरा काम था पूछना, मेरा कर्तव्य था पूछना. हाँ ना करना तो उसके हाथ में. थाईलैंड में, बैंकॉक में या और रात के चाइना टाउन की एक गली में कुछ मिल रहा है which looks like a bun maska,
Yeah.
but it's clearly not bun maska.
It is not. It is butter, condensed milk. So toasted.
Toasted pav
Look at this.
with butter and condensed milk. And there are many other flavors. There is blueberry, strawberry, coconut custard,
It's just so yummy.
chocolate. खाने से पहले ही पता होने वाला है कि दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अमेजिंग.
feeling good
Very good. तो बेसिकली पाव है, उसको टोस्ट किया, उसको अंदर होल किया, कंडेंस्ड मिल्क भरा, कंडेंस्ड मिल्क. आई नो माई फूड. कंडेंस्ड मिल्क के साथ भरा. आई थिंक ऊपर से और थोड़ा सा कंडेंस्ड मिल्क drizzle किया है. तो ऐसा क्यों है कि ये खराब होगा? कंडेंस्ड मिल्क का जो स्वीटनेस है वो बटर के सॉल्टी और स्लाइटली खट्टे होने से वो स्वीटनेस कट हो रहा है. दिस इज यमी.
वैसे पता चला है फ्रॉम आवर विजुअल कॉन्वर्सेशन कि अंक को जलेबी बहुत पसंद है. अमंग्स इंडियन स्वीट्स इसे जलेबी पसंद है. इसे गुलाब जामुन पसंद नहीं है क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा मीठा है.
high sugar
हाय शुगर.
गुलाब जामुन.
यस,
high sugar
बहुत ज़्यादा मीठा है ऐसा बोल रहे
I
हैं.
think half sweet
He loves गुलाब जामुन.
oh but I like I like
अभी ये जो है कोकोनट कस्टर्ड वाला है. Cheers.
Sure.
oh
कोकोनट कस्टर्ड कम मीठा है. Actually, I didn't like it so much. This is green because इसमें pandan leaves का infusion है. It is infused with pandan leaves.
But pro tip, go for the basic butter
Yeah.
and condensed milk.
Yeah.
That is the classic, and there's a reason why it's the classic, I think. It's
And
really
this
good.
chocolate is also good. तो यहाँ पे हमारा eating with urn ends over here because we are full.
Yeah, we are full in the tummy and we are full in the heart,
Heart.
because she took us to really simple but amazing.
Simple but
street
amazing
places.
places, including a Michelin star place.
I don't think we should rate this because this is a very personalized
Personalized
experience.
experience, exactly.
And it should just stay that. It's a good memory and it's certainly something we recommend. So if you come here, you should definitely try. Because you may not always find
Yes.
to take you.
You tell them to try.
welcome to Bangkok so sorry I speak English not good I'm excited and I'm so happy in famous food some advice very food for you and you
Yes.
so delicious trust me
On that note, say like,
yes I like
comment.
Comment. Comment on our video. Say in Thai. Our video link वरना contact नहीं समझता.
อ๋อขอเยอะฝากกดไลค์ฝากคอมเมนต์ฝากกดแชร์และฝาก Subscribe ช่องนี้กันด้วยนะคะอ๋อ repeat after me โอเค
आते
อาเต้
रहिए,
ไรเย
खाते
คาเต้
रहिए
เรเย
और
อ๋อ
पूछते
पूछते.
มูสเต้
रहिए.
ไรเย
खाने में
คานิเมะ
क्या है?
ก้าเห็น
वाह.
Hot. High five.
spell that
The Coke is come only for the stars. We also wanted Coke, and Pratik knows that we like Coke, but the Coke is not come for us.
Never mind. The soup is here.
come on พี่จ๋าพี่จ๋า
Oma,
ช้อนอันนึงเลยจ้ะ
1, 2, 3. Vegetarian.
Mangsa Virat. In Thailand, say Mangsa Virat.
Mansa Virat
Yeah.
means you're vegetarian.
We can Thailand say Mangsa Virat.
मानसा विराट
Mansa Virat.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ्रेश है यू नो हिंदी हिंदी
You speak Hindi?
No.
No Hindi. Javarat Road.
Thank you.
और यहाँ
Okay.
yeah.
I like spicy food